On the letter from
one of the reasons.
Honorable Chair, honorable members, with respect, I don't know the person called Mary Diaz. I've never seen her, I've never met her. But for whatever reason, out of over 68 million people in this country, there are only certain individuals that get so much mileage in the public space that whatever they say, the whole country knows about it. And whatever they suggest, majority of the people in the country tend to believe it. I want to challenge and I want to request this committee to invite Mary Diaz, not visually. If she's in a wheelchair, we'll bring her here. But she must come here and sit in this chair and repeat that which she wrote. And then allow the honorable members to ask her questions. I did not start at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, but I learned that she's an academia there. And I'm disappointed. If I was a student of Mary Diaz, if she was a lecturer, and she would have made me pass a certain qualification, I would begin asking myself whether is that qualification credible. Because you cannot be a researcher and you have someone sending you something and you believe it to be the fact and you go and communicate it out there as a researcher, if that's what she is. That's why I'm saying I don't know her. I'm beginning to question the institution that she works for. If she's indeed, because I heard that she's at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, the province I come from, which is a bit disturbing for me. Because, honorable chair members, with respect, I think Mary Diaz is a desktop researcher, if any. That's all she does. I'm not a researcher myself, but I believe I can do better than what she's doing. She, at one stage, she accused Gerald Khumalo to be the one behind the Cindy Somagapa's murder. Gerald Khumalo is the one that arrested the criminals. He's the one that arrested the mayor, Ndobe, of Mzimkhulu, who later was released by court and he committed suicide. He's the one that arrested the municipal manager. He's the one that arrested the convicted fellow now. He's the one who arrested everyone. But because Mary Diaz is fed by a convicted person, because once you are convicted in crime, whatever you say tends to be questionable because you've already been found guilty by court. So a person who's found guilty by court sends information to Mary Diaz and the honorable member of this parliament, Mr. Adams, and they believe that. It's just disturbing, very much disturbing. So I don't want to debate much what she's saying. I don't want to argue in terms of the letter that she wrote. But if the Minister of Police, Mr. Senzo Mchunu, took the decision to write the letter of the 31st of December 2024, disestablishing the political killing task team, being informed by Mr. Mary Diaz's complaint, then I'm going to challenge that perhaps the minister, with respect, might need to go and relearn how to manage. Because as a manager, you don't do that. You do not do that. You arrive in an institution, you seek for briefing to be given to you, and you make your calculations about things. You then decide on the way forward. For the minister to come in, the executive of the organization, they are there in his disposal. He doesn't bother engaging them. But he listens to people who are outside the institution to give him WhatsApps that are disappearing. I don't know who told him that the WhatsApp disappearing cannot be retrieved. Maybe we need to help the minister. The WhatsApp are disappearing, they cannot be retrieved. The letters of Mary Diaz and many other people that influenced him and briefed him according to the reference letter that made him to reach a conclusion. You are briefed by anyone else other than the executive of this institution. And then you take a position, you believe this is the right position. So I'll advise the minister to perhaps go and get some training somewhere about management.